So today I'm going to unwrap this. These are the 23 pieces of pick a lock tool set. I think when it's brand new, it's supposed to come with a 24 piece, but 23 piece is fine. This is pre-owned or used, so hopefully everything still in there. So I got this used one, less than 20 bucks with the tax and everything and free shipping. And if you get a new one, I think it's about 24 something plus tax. So probably running about 26 something. So anyway, I'm going to test out on this original club. This is the club steering wheel lock. And we lost a key, so hopefully I can try to open this up. I tried to go to the locksmith, and he told me if I purchase or try to rekey this one, it's going to run about the same price as the club. So the clubs run about $40, and I also have a navy blue one. Somehow the navy blue one sells about 70 something up to 100 something bucks just for the club. Anyway, enough of that. So I'm going to open this one. And this one's supposed to come with the case. Oh, here's my invoice. So it's a 23 pieces of lock set with a carrying case. So I got the two zipper. So as you can see, there's like a dust, so it's kind of dirty. So these are the tools that I need to pick this lock, and also the tension wrench. There's two additional tension wrench right here. So I'm going to try to use this one. And then this tension wrench. I'm going to test out this one too. Let me see if I can set this correctly. Okay, there you go. So clockwise is the lock, and then counterclockwise to unlock. So I'm going to do the counterclockwise while I try to put this tool in. This one might be too wide. Well, I finally managed to turn the lock, and now it's unlocked. Cool, nice. Thought it wasn't gonna work, but I spent so much time with this using this tool. I guess they would call it wafer. They call it a wafer tool. So I did jam it up and down. Well, this one was like in the middle, but you gotta make sure it's not in the way, or else you cannot move this tool up and down. So it was kind of hard, but I managed to get this thing open, which is good. Instead of this in a lock position, now I could put it on the steering wheel, pretend it is locked. Okay? So yeah, I just want to show you guys how I did it. Actually, you need to put this retention wrench on the side. And after that, I rock it. And you have to give it a little pressure right here. And you don't want to put too much pressure, because sometimes you put too much pressure, those pins just lock into its place, and it's kind of hard to move around. So you might have to play around with it. So remember, I told you guys the left and then right hand side, and when I did the clockwise, it's gonna get lock, and counterclockwise is to unlock. Okay. But I'm gonna lock it again then. So now it's locked. Now I cannot take it out. Okay? So apparently this is the best position. I'm gonna turn it on the other side too for you guys to check it out. Yeah, so you gotta jam it right in the center. Make sure, let me unlock it. So counterclockwise unlock. Okay. See? Now it's gonna be locked. But I didn't click it all the way yet, so I'm gonna unlock it. See? So easy. Just need to jiggle. Okay. And now it's locked all the way. Let me see if I can jiggle it to unlock it now. Oh, yes. So simple. If you put it right into that position. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.